So now that the battery has been disconnected, we're gonna start removing the plugs first. Just press down on that and then pull the lever at the same time. If your car was in an accident and your dealership has told you you need to replace the airbag module, you can send it in to myairbags.com for a reset instead of buying a brand new one. On these Chevy Camaro seatbelts, we have a dual stage system, meaning there's two parts it deploys. The first part is right in the seat. Now most Chevys will have the same setup here. The seatbelt, if you look carefully, it disappears into the seat and it comes down right below the seat and it reappears right over here. It's also linked together right over here. You can just kind of remove that part and then this part will be free from that part, and then you can remove them separate from each other. So if we follow the seatbelt right back into the retractor area, you can take this part up. This is one part right here that holds it down. Now on the other side of the pillar, you will see where the seatbelt retracts into. You will also see that yellow plug that's plugged in. That's the part that deploys. Once you have that plug unplugged, then you can remove the bolts holding down that part as well. These seatbelts are dual stage, and now both front seatbelts do deploy. They lock up, they throw codes. You have to replace them or get them professionally rebuilt at myairbags.com.